Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to see media on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and give your login details, then sign in. Now on your screen you can see menu, search bar, create a new message and your old conversations. Select the conversation where you want to find media, open it. Once you open it, on the top you can see your username, tap it, then all you have to do is scroll down and there you can see theme, quick reaction, nicknames, word effects, etc. But under more actions you can see the second option is view media files and links. All you have to do is go under it. There you go. There you can find your media, files and links. And guys, that's it. That's how you see media on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.